The interim budget 2014-15 has many provisions for the welfare of different sections of the society with special focus on youth and employment generation. The National Manufacturing Policy has set the goal of increasing the share of manufacturing in GDP to 25%. It has also set goal to create 100 million jobs over a decade.
The National Manufacturing Policy has set the goal of increasing the share of manufacturing in GDP to 25% and to create 100 million jobs over a decade. 8 national investment and manufacturing zones have been announced along the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, and 9 projects have been approved by the DMIC Trust. 5 NIMZs outside DMIC have also been given in-principle approval.
National Skill Certification and Monetary Reward Scheme has been of huge success, and a sum of 1,000 crore rupees has been provided in 2014-15. A venture capital fund to provide concessional finance to scheduled caste will be set up by IIFCI with an initial capital of 200 crore rupees. The number of bank accounts of minorities in 121 districts has increased to 43,52,000, and loans to minorities stood at over 2,11,000 crore rupees. 2 proposals to ensure the dignity and safety of women have been approved, which will be funded from the Nirbhaya Fund, and a sum of 1,000 crore rupees has again been provided in 2014-15. Apart from this, women's self-help groups have been provided with credit of over 41 lakh rupees. Finance Minister also brought cheer to students as he announced that the government will take over liability of outstanding interest till December 2013 for all educational loans taken up to March 31st, 2009. This will benefit nearly 9 lakh student borrowers. The allocation for defence has been enhanced by 10% apart from giving bonanza to them by one rank, one pension scheme, which is likely to be implemented from the financial year 2014-15. 500 crore rupees is proposed for defence pension account in current financial year. For modernization of Central Armed Police Forces, 11,009 crore rupees has been approved. The target of 7 lakh crore agriculture credit has been increased to 8 lakh crore rupees by the banks. Business Bureau, DD News.